Hello, esteemed delegates. Welcome to Diplomacy Camp. We are so excited to have you here. We're excited to see what you bring to the table, and we're excited to see how you grow. This is a really neat opportunity to practice influencing global policy on the issues that matter very most to you. One way you'll do that directly is through writing resolutions. These are basically the international laws that get passed that establish global precedents and make a path for the issue that you care about on an international level. And there are a few tips to doing this successfully. Even though the details will vary from paper to paper, these 3 things are always applicable and will always help you do well. The first tip is mind your P's and Q's. This just means to be really diligent when it comes to the formatting of your paper. Those details seem a little bit tedious and small, but those small things, making sure you're doing them correctly, like with your line numbering, knowing when to use a comma and when to use a semicolon, getting your preambulatory and operative clauses correct, all those things will make you stick out to the dais in a really good way. So format matters. Number 2, join up. Make sure that you're with a coalition and that the paper that you're writing is not just reflective of an outlying group, but that it meets the needs of many different member states in a variety of circumstances. This will increase the likelihood of your paper passing during voting procedure. And third, you want to make sure that whenever you're writing, you're showing that there's a need for the solutions that you're providing, that you're providing innovative solutions that meet the problem that you're presenting, and that it's not too long-winded. Hopefully like this video. We're excited to see you and hope you take care. Best of luck.